Welcome to All in One Idea Exchange PC Remote Server. It is the application through which we can access our PC through our mobile device. These are the screenshot which is given by the website. You can download from this website this small application. It will be in my description box. Let's install. So it is done. Now we'll install this app in our mobile device. Link is my description box. You can download. Let's install. It will take a little time. It's a small app. That's it. It's done. To access our PC, we need to change little setting. We need to set a password. So we have to put a password. I put 12345. Apply. Okay. Then nothing is more in this. Then we'll add this device to our PC. First you need the IP address from your PC. Let's get it. You go to this settings, see my IP address, and now we can use that address in our app, and we'll use a password 12345. Then you can just add it. That's it. Now you can click on the desktop. Now you can access your PC through your mobile device. This application is having lots of features you can explore after installing and try yourself. That's it. If you like it, give a thumbs up to my video and comment and subscribe please. Thanks for watching.